You want to know a trick using ChatGPT? Treat it like an assistant, like a real live assistant or somebody working with you. So you need to be able to tell it what you want it to be. So what role is it playing? Is it act as a marketing assistant, act as a social media content creator, act as a small business owner, act as a realtor? Tell it what you want it to do. Create a description for a TikTok video on the efficiencies of using ChatGPT. Create a manual using step-by-step instructions on how to make a candle. Tell it the result that you want, result being engagement on my social media post, with the result being a new person could make a candle from these instructions. And then if you can add additional instructions of the tone should be excited, educational, whatever the tone of voice is that you want it to speak in, state that as well. ChatGPT is one, it doesn't have the emotional intelligence, right? So treat it like somebody you've just met that you're working with, because it takes a while to build that relationship, no matter who you're working with. So ChatGPT is no different. Just think of it in those terms. So let it learn from you, give it as much direction as you can, and treat it like your assistant, and it will produce like one of the best assistants that you've ever had. And it's not cheating.